yeah, there, but it came out nice, and later I'm for the choco concert say Charlie they falling in love. Pictures be and Ghana focus. But because and say I mean it was a project like you guys did.
Yeah.
Now the new one that's out now. Tell us about it.
Okay, so this one, the title, yeah, Baby.
Baby.
A love song.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
Oh, baby.
Baby.
So tell us about Baby.
It's for all lovers out there. If you want to show your partner that you care, this is the song you should play.
If you want to show your partner
how much you care, yes, this is the song you should
then
play.
You play him or her Baby.
Yes.
And it's you love more and it's you man.
Oh, Obia. Love is not complicated. So this song is simple. It's a very simple love song.
Wow.
It represents love very nicely.
You wrote it yourself?
Yes.
Okay. You bet Baby. But before we listen to Baby, the last time I didn't come on, a whole lot of things came up. It be where I mean a bit personal. After we call hibernation kakra for a very long time, and making it clear to all of us that you were depressed, you were going through depression, but thank God now you're out of it and everything is all right. So I think that it will not be wrong if I should touch on that one again and say after the recovery now is everything like cool because they didn't to me and later on it will be worse than the previous one experience. So now how is it like?
The good thing is I learned what I was not doing right. So right now communication is the best thing. It's the number one. I was not communicating well. I'm learning how to communicate. I actually know how to communicate my feelings very well. It's not something that's going to be a problem.
Wow. Glad to hear that. And because Charlie, you say Ubi Kradi can send a message say and the favorite female artist na the whole studio and when I'm out for a pewasem when near my saying coca yika crowd bisapa, they also get affected now. So we all pray and say be fine.
Thank
for you. Okay, so now Baby, we also one outro Baby. But is it like the baddest boss that you put someone on, or this one was you alone or something? Let us know about that one.
This is just me on the song.
Just you.
Yes,
on
it's a solo track. Yes.
Okay.
And I shot this one in SA. I shot this in South Africa. Yeah, it was amazing. Yes. We got to South Africa, they robbed me fine, and then we shot the
you two, they did it to you,
Hey, South Africa, forget. But no, I've been there a few times. It's never been like this.
Yeah.
For that to happen, because they took all the money and everything I had for my videos I was about to shoot.
No, wait. No, let's talk about that one briefly before
I know you want to talk about
because,
it.
Because that SA experience, it being told it happened to a lot of people.
Oh, I had sleepless nights.
I mean, it's a nice place, but that thing with them, bad. Because it happened to my boss, and it was very bad. Young coffee to me, mom linking, mom to me sort out scratches.
Almost bad. Your passports,
really?
Everything vanished. Everything.
Like, okay, no, boy, as you guys touched down, and then what happened? I'm interested.
I heard say at the airports, there are a lot of people, boys who sit around there.
Yeah.
Me, I wasn't paying attention. I was going straight from airport into the car and so we got there. We went to the house we are lodging at. Mini Mugi is his team and my team. But me, I wanted to buy some drinks for the house.
Okay.
And I went with the one handling me and my manager. And your call. Drink shop B, and I wanted to buy drinks, but me say some boys were looking at me very funny, into me uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And I said, I've never left my bag in the car before. I don't do that. But that day, I said, let me just leave this bag in the car because the way they are looking at my bag, I'm uncomfortable. And I left the bag in the car. We left the car 1 minute. We just entered another shop. We came back. They had broken the glass, everything. But I have to say thank you to God because if I didn't leave the bag in the car, they would have followed us with guns and something bad could have happened.
Sure,
I'm grateful. Our lives are more important than money or anything.
That thing it is one way with those people. But anyway, so that will take us to Baby.
Yes.
Yes. So Baby is the new baby of MzVEE. So let's listen to Baby. Yeah.
I go there with you, baby.
This tune is not bad.
Put on the headset. See, this is my kind of song. This is my kind of song. Definitely. Wow. Do baby. And one shot here from baby so Jay we see no. Honestly speaking,
Wow.
I'm not listening to it. I'm being very honest. But and do baby I like it already.
Thank you.
mean, Charlie. I love the group. I love everything. Like you said, it's a simple love song.
Very simple.
Thank you. Yo, Kobe Chain Line. Yes, we do. There are a lot of people who are also watching us. Yes. Charlie. No, I for do all my game. Say that song they be, you know what I'm saying? Wow!
This tune is not bad.
Very simple and nice. I love it. Baby.
Oh baby,
beautiful song.
Thank you.
Beautiful song.
This one I did it for you.
Ali, yeah, me.
Who said chino?
Yeah. It was tight. Bibia them perfect.
Wow.
I love it. I don't you say pa there actually. Bibia that pepe sa. And like you said before we listen to it, the perfect song Obia bit media share or do ama ne
correct
message near that simple or do bra. Just make it just complicated.
Yeah, sharp guy.
All right, so everything is it's out there.
It's out. It's everywhere. The video too is out. The video is really nice. Go and watch the video. They stole my money, but I still shot it. So watch the video. Comment
like personal video nice, mama.
Hey.
Still, I video come.
So they should subscribe to my new YouTube channel. It's MzVEE official.
Okay.
Watch the video, share, like, comment, everything, and it's on every online store: SoundCloud, Apple Music, iTunes, everywhere. Everywhere.
Yeah. Charlie, it's nice.
Thank you so much.
And this one, dear. I mean, with all the songs that we've heard already, and in addition to this very one, Charlie, I'm very sure, say by the close of the year, album they drop out to say crew bed.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. I mean, Charlie, so keep it up now. It costs our mind. Nice.
Thank you so
beautiful
much.
Beautiful music like this one.
Thank you.
And thanks so much for coming.
Thank you.
Yo, Kobe, thanks for coming through. Oh, interview.
Oh, Jerry.
Yeah.
I can't one thing.
All right.
I'm doing a baby challenge. Some people have done
challenge your course no.
Oh, me challenge that.
Oh,
not for any of my songs.
No, maybe now not for your song, but the one that you did for people to sing.
The singing competition. So this time it's about baby.
Okay.
There's a dance to it. The dance is on my page. Some people have done me but I mean just go to my page MzVEE on Instagram or Facebook. And you can learn the dance.
Okay.
Tag me, tag baby. Yes, tag baby by MzVEE.
Okay.
Baby by, because the baby there, if you just do hashtag baby, you see baby.
1,000.
Yes, so baby by MzVEE. Dance or just sing and have a good time, and you stand a chance of winning 2,000 CDs. Quick money.
Wow. Charlie 2K. Why? And today, on page on our share the special dance to the song now. Now why cancer? Why man you for the cancer you perfectly then you record yourself then. That be it and no I don't know.
It's a hashtag baby by MzVEE.
Yes. Baby by MzVEE.
MzVEE.
Sharp. Let's do it now. Charlie Cash say baby so I'll grab you. All right, Charlie. Thanks so much for coming through.
Thank you too. Thank you.
Tune in.